Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python problem, and today's problem is that how to do binary search in Python. Means suppose we take a sequence of items or sequence of elements and how to search a particular item using binary search algorithm. Okay, now if we talk about what is binary search algorithm, then it should be the sequence of items or elements should be sorted, and then we find out a particular item is present within that sequence or not. If the sequence is not sorted, then we can't do the binary search algorithm for any programming language is concerned. But today's problem is that to find out a particular item within a sequence using binary search means we find out or we search a item using binary search algorithm within a sequence. Okay, and one thing should remember, for binary search algorithm is concerned, it is also known as dictionary search. As our dictionary is concerned, we know the character should be sorted. Suppose for English dictionary is concerned, the characters should be like A to Z, means the words are arranged or sorted in a particular order. So if the sequence is not sorted or not ordered, then we can't do the binary search. Okay, so today's problem I will discuss elaborately how to do binary search algorithm using Python language. So go to the computer screen, through PyCharm IDE I will solve the problem how to do binary search in Python. Okay. Hello friends, I'm just within the Python IDE PyCharm, and here I'm just write the code for how to use binary search algorithm in Python language. So at first we should know what is binary search. If we do binary search, it should remember the sequence of elements should be sorted. If it is not sorted, then we can't do binary search. Okay, so at first the sequence of elements or items should be sorted, then we use binary search algorithm. Binary search algorithm is also known as dictionary search. As our dictionary is concerned, we know the words are arranged or ordered in a particular manner. Suppose the word start from A letter should be at first, then B, then C. In that way it go up to Z. So here actually when we search any word within a dictionary, it should follow the binary search. So same way, when we find out any item is present within a sequence of elements or items, then we can use this binary search algorithm using the same manner, whatever the manner we are following the dictionary search. Okay, so in binary search what happened, the sequence is there, should be sorted, and we just go in the middle position. When we go to the middle position, there is a two part, one is left and there is a right. If the item is present, then it may present within the middle or in left or right, or the item may not present. Okay, so in that way we find out the middle every time and we search the item is present or not. So this is the actual happen or actually the way to find out the binary search algorithm techniques. Okay, so at first we are writing the code within the file ex2.py. Already create the Python file here, and here I'm just write the code for to search a item using binary search algorithm in Python. Okay, so here at first we write a function. Within that function we write the code for binary search. Okay, and the function name is binary underscore search. So just write def space binary underscore search and send as parameter a list and the item which we want to search. Okay, and then just write the logic here. Okay, So at first we take a variable which is first and put the value is 0, another is a last and just write last equal len within parenthesis L minus 1, because at first we find out the number of elements within the list minus 1, because the index start from 0 and go up to size minus 1. So that's why the last element index should be len L minus 1. Okay, and then we use another variable which is found and put a boolean value which is false. Okay, and then we write a while loop and check at first less equal last, okay, and not found, then put a colon. Here we check the condition and write the statement if the condition is true, and the first statement is that mid equal means we find out the middle position of the index. Mid equal within parentheses just write first plus last and use a float division operator, then 2. Okay, and then what happened, we just check a condition if L, the index is mid, okay, is equal item, then what happened, we change the found value which is true. Okay, else, now else have some another condition is there. At first we check if item is less than L and its index is mid, then we just change the last variable value, last equal, just write mid minus 1. Okay, and then the another part is there, else part is there, means inner else, and here we change our first variable value and first equal, just write mid plus 1. Okay, so this is the end of the while. And now what happened, we check some condition here. The condition is that if found is equal true, okay, then we can say we are find out the element within the sequence. So just write print as f string is concerned, just write f, and within double quote just write element is found at index, and within curly brace just write mid. Okay, and else means if the found value is false, then just print element is not found. So just write within double quote element is not found. Okay, and now this is the end of the function body, and now we call the function. So just write binary underscore search and send as argument. At first we send the list, so that's why we write in a square box and should be shorted. Suppose write 12, 78, 90, 120, 410, 780, suppose 900, and suppose we search a particular item which is 410. Okay, so we already write the code within the file ex2.py, and at first we go to the run button and choose run ex2. Just see within the console it shows element is found at index 4. Just check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 410 is present in the index 4. Suppose we change the item, suppose the item value suppose 900, and again if we run this code, yes, element is found at index 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and suppose we search such element which is not present within that sequence, suppose 100, and again run this code, yes, item is not found. Right, I hope you have understood today's problem. Today's problem is very simple, how to search a item within a sequence using binary search algorithm in Python. Okay, if you have still some doubts, just write in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have not subscribed still my channel, please subscribe it. Today up to this, keep watching my channel Technical Arquen. Thank you and bye bye.